Welcome back. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to kdp.amazon.com and you're going to set up an account. Now, if you already have an amazon.com account, you can use that account to sign up. You'll still be able to use your KDP account as your business, so you don't have to worry about having your personal and business mixed together if you sign up with Amazon. If you don't want to do that, you can go to this button if you don't have an Amazon account. Now again, if you don't want to use your Amazon credentials, you're going to click this button that says Create Your KDP Account. You're going to write in your details. And once you do that, you're going to click Create Your KDP Account. Now, even if you choose not to do so at this time, you're going to want to read through Kindle Terms of Service. And once you do that, you can then click Agree. And when you first go through the setup process, you're going to want to click this Update Now button. And basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be setting up so that you can be paid. So you're going to need to state your country or region. And once you do that, you're going to need to set up your banking information so that Amazon can send your payments. You'll also need to set up your taxing information, again, so that Amazon will be able to report to your taxing authorities when you earn income. And once you do that, you'll then click Save. Now, for the sake of recording this video and this course, we're going to leave this information incomplete, and we're going to continue throughout the rest of the process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.